In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit listings on Etsy in a full tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned seller looking to streamline your shop management or a newcomer aiming to understand the tools at your disposal, knowing how to efficiently bulk edit your listings can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your Etsy shop's listings view. Here, you will see all your active, expired, or inactive listings displayed in a grid. To start the process of bulk editing, you need to select multiple listings. This is easily done by checking the boxes next to the listings you wish to edit. You have the flexibility to select all the listings visible on the page or just a few specific ones that require adjustments. Once you've made your selections, a menu bar will appear at the top of the page, giving you access to the bulk editing tools. Next, click on the editing options located above your listings. This will open a drop-down menu, presenting a variety of bulk changes you can apply to your selected listings. Here are the key options available. You can renew to rejuvenate multiple expired or active listings simultaneously. If certain items are no longer necessary, you can opt to delete them in bulk. Organizing your shop is made easier by moving listings into specific shop subsections or categories with the Change Sections feature. Update your shipping details for many products at once by selecting Change Shipping Profile. For sellers utilizing print-on-demand services, Change Production Partner is a handy option. Meanwhile, Change Shop Sections is perfect for rearranging digital product categories. You can also update the processing time for several items together, as well as adjust tags and categories, though some bulk changes here might be limited. Once you've decided on the bulk edit option you wish to apply, it's time to set the new parameters. For instance, if you are changing shop sections, choose the desired section from the list. After making these decisions, click the Apply button, and Etsy will update all your selected listings simultaneously. It's a powerful feature that can greatly enhance the efficiency of managing your Etsy store. Finally, it's always good practice to double-check your work. After applying bulk changes, review a few edited listings to ensure everything applied correctly, especially for significant changes like those affecting price or product variations. If you're planning a larger overhaul, it might be wise to test the changes with just a few listings initially to see how everything looks before applying them more broadly across your store. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to bulk edit listings on Etsy. By implementing these steps, you can manage your shop more efficiently, making room for more creativity and less time spent on administrative tasks. Happy selling, and see you in the next video!